how to connect Porkbun domain to Base44. So in this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Base44 account to your Porkbun domain. So to get started, go ahead and open Base44 into your browser and then sign in to your Base44 account. And then from here, head over into the Apps tab. And then on the Apps tab, go ahead and select a project where you want to add the Porkbun domain to. And then on the project, go ahead and head over into the dashboard tab. And then from here, go ahead and select domains. So you'll be able to find the option to add a custom domain for your specific project if you have created your account into Builder or above. And then once you have actually selected that, go ahead and enter your Porkbun domain, and Base44 will provide DNS records that you need to configure. And then after this, you need to go ahead and log into Porkbun. So go to Porkbun's domain management panel, select your domain, and open the DNS records section. And then after that, go ahead and update DNS records. Use CNAME, so add a CNAME record pointing your domain to the Base44 provided target. And you can also use a record. So if the Base44 gives you IP address, add them as records in Porkbun. Keep DNS management at Porkbun unless Base44 requires you to switch name servers. So back in Base44, click Verify Domain, and DNS propagation can take up to 24 to 48 hours. This usually resolves within minutes, and once verified, your Base44 app will be live at your Porkbun domain.